streaming experience on tv.apple.com is not optimized as it lacks support for offline downloads and picture-in-picture. It leaves us with frayed nerves that the Apple TV streaming service from the iPhone maker is not accessible on Android smartphones and tablets. With this restriction, those eagerly willing to rejoice the content on the Apple product-specific service are left with one way, a workaround method called Progressive Web App (PWA), which brings Apple TV on your Android's home screen. Progressive web apps are visible on the home screen and application grid of your Android devices. This provides the same experience as visiting tv.apple.com in Chrome, but with the removal of the address bar, tab switcher, and other browser controls at the top of the screen when using the PWA. This ensures a quicker and more focused experience. How to access Apple TV on Android via PWA? Follow the steps listed below to get Apple TV on your Android device. Visit tv.apple.com in Chrome for Android or on Chromebooks. Open the three-dot overflow button in the top right corner. Tap Install App near the bottom of the menu. Click Install on the confirmation box. Why there's no Apple TV app on Android? The Play Store only has an Apple TV app available for streaming devices and television sets that are powered by Android Google TV. There is no app for mobile phones and tablets. Users with mobile Android devices and Chromebooks are instructed to use tv.apple.com. The experience on tv.apple.com is not as optimized as it lacks support for offline downloads and picture-in-picture. Moreover, users are unable to access their Apple TV purchases as only streaming content is available on the website.